Hey, it's your boy Lil Dane in the building, live in the flesh. You know how it goes down. You know, I'm just doing my thing, baby. We out here, we got Money Mike on the studio. We laying down tracks, shooting videos. We doing it all. Very real hood to you. Real good, exquisite shit. You know what I'm saying? Straight from the bottom to the top. You know, right now we in Palmdale. I call this shit Deezy Phone Uptown, baby. So you know it's going down. So holla at your boy and let's get it bit and let's get it going, baby. Young in the flesh, and I'm doing it like that all for the ladies. You know, I love the ladies, and that's what it is.
Hey, Wayne, wake up. Hey. I think you should tell them, man, like, why we be so high all the time, like, off life, like, tell the world why we be so high, man. Like, just can you tell them what we smoke, man? Tell them.
We smoke that kush, that kush, that kush, we smoke that kush, that kush, we smoke that kush, that kush, we smoke that kush, we smoke that.
It's Lil Dane. DZF.F, say the baby's name until it's not a knot left in your halo. You know she share both, but she wouldn't be nothing if she didn't have an angel. Ayy, I'm that boom in your doom, mock life, mob life, cause we do that voodoo. When I step up in your room, train moving too soon. I'm that vinyl on your playlist playing new tunes. Louisiana, DZ Phone, yeah, that's my ace, boom, boom. When you listen, stop and listen to the bass go boom. With my troubles up high like cool kids in high school. H2O's, thirsty chicken, steady picking at my food. So I eat my dessert, and you know it tastes good. Grab my napkin, start to cracking at my favorite food. Snow crabs, it's my dish that I seem to choose. I'm American, baby, I deserve options too, and that kush.
We smoke that kush, that kush.